All right, let's now get the latest from Sakina, who is there this morning. And Sakina, we're hearing, and obviously, I mean, you can tell us more about this. Senzo Mkhunu back on that stand and on the seat today. Good morning again.
Well, good morning, Leanne. And of course, we are awaiting the arrival of Jeremy Michaels here at the Bridget Babandla Justice College, just to get clarity on what exactly will take place today. As you said, Senzo Mkhunu, he was, of course, the last witness last year before the recess period. And of course, we will let you know as soon as we have clarity. I'm joined by Canny Maphanga as to who will be on the stand today. We do know, Canny, that it will be General Sinona again tomorrow, given that the last time he wasn't quite ready to proceed. His legal team asked for more time to peruse through all the documents, so we know he'll be back tomorrow. But today we were told 2 witnesses, not quite sure at this stage who exactly it will be.
Indeed. Good morning to you, Sakina, and to the viewers at home. As you've correctly stated, the KZN Hawks head came last year to present himself before the Commission, however, with some, I guess, discrepancies or technicalities about the kind of documents that he needed to prepare himself for his defense. In phase 2, he was given the date, I think that is this week, that he's expected to appear before the Commission and give his version of events regarding those serious allegations that place him in a direct connection or alleged collusion with particularly alleged cartel member Vusimuzi Cat Matlala, to the extent that Matlala allegedly bought properties for Tato Sinona, his son. However, there is no proof before the Commission yet. We'll find out during phase 2 whether those transactions were completed. So we don't know if those properties were actually bought or not. So that will be interesting evidence to cover with respect to the Hawks and the allegation that this particular part of SABC may be compromised or in direct collusion with these alleged cartel members.
Canny, just looking at the timelines, because the 17th of December is when the interim report was handed over to President Ramaphosa, which of course was not made public, but that means that the Commission needs to complete its work by the 17th of March. But looking at where we are currently, do you think that, you know, it's plausible that we will see the end of the Commission, or are we starting to veer into the territory of an extension?
Well, look, the Commission was given 6 months to do its work. However, it is the end of January upon which it is starting its second leg, which is phase 2, which is expected to intensify. We know that there are a number of witnesses that need to be called during phase 2 to answer to these particular allegations that were made in the foundation set by phase 1 last year. On top of that, there's phase 3, where the evidence needs to be tested further. It is unrealistic to expect that to take place within the next 6-7 weeks, if we put it that way, from the 17th of March. It is expected or likely that the Commission will have to write to the President to seek an extension in this regard in order to complete the work, at least in a time where you have at least phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3 covered, so that when there is a report given to the President, it is a holistic report that looks at all the evidence from all fronts and has tested it thoroughly before he can reach a conclusion or make any decisions regarding what this particular Commission finds about these allegations of criminality within the criminal justice system.
Maphanga, of course, has been our eyes and ears at this Commission. It is day 46 today, and resumption after the recess in December. But I tell you what, Leanne, we will take a deeper dive into some of the specifics that have come out so far in our next crossing. But for now, it's back to you.